Hi there again. In this edition in the additional of Thursday, June the 4th, 2020. This is a four star Sudoku, the fourth Sudoku in this additional. So let's get started. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 4s will be here, here, or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. Here 4, no 4 there. The only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. But I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and all the 4s are used. I can see, yes, number 4. Then I see A1 in this column, A1 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. A2 in this column, A2 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for A2 should be there. 3 in this column, the 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 3 should be there. Then yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. 1 of the missing numbers is an 8. I see here an 8. So no 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So in this column, we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. In the middle column, we have an 8 over there. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be here. In this column, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing here. The 7 is missing and the 9 is missing. 6, 7, and the 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6, 7, and the 9. That means 1 box left in this big square. Should be the 5. And I see here we have a pair, 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here and there. Same with the 8. So we have a pair, 5 and the 8, 5 and the 8. That means those other 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column. For the number 2, 2 is missing, yes. These 2 numbers of this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, double 2. Oh, not good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This should 8. This should be a 9. Yeah, the 9 should this be the 9. So we have here 2 missing numbers in this big square, the 6 and the 7. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row, the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And I cannot continue with the 6, need to wait. And then yeah, and now 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only two places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. Yeah. In this row, we have 4 missing numbers. The third row, one of the missing numbers is a 9. I see here 9, so no 9 there. I see here 9, so no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. 3, 8, 5. Okay. 9. Okay. Let me think. Yes, in this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 3 boxes. There are 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So in the last column, we have a 3 in one of those 2 boxes. In that column, we have a 3 over there. So the column between, the only place for the 3 should be here. Now we have 2 numbers left, the 5 and the 8 here. 7, okay, 5 and the 8. Let me see. 5 and the 8. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. I see here a 5. So here cannot be a 5 in this column. The 5 should be here. And the 7 is missing. We see here a 7. So the 7 should be there. And the 8 is missing. The 8 could be everywhere. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers isn't 5. We see here 5. No 5 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be here. Those are the 2 numbers in this big square are the numbers 7 and 8 as a pair. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Alright. That means in the first row we have an 8 here in one of those two boxes. In the second row we have an 8 over there. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. This big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. We see an 8, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be here. 8. 8, 8. Yes, I see it. I see it. In this big square, 5 missing numbers now. One of the missing number is a 6. I see here 6, so no 6 in these 3 boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. Yes, for 6. Alright, we have a 6 there. Here also 2 6s. The 7 is missing and the 9 is missing. The 9 should be here. The 9. We have in these 3, sorry, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9. No 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 9 could be here or there. That means these 3 boxes, the missing numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing, the 9 is missing, and the 7 is missing. These 3. I see here a 6 and a 9 in this row. So 1 box left, 1 digit left for the 7. The other 2, 6 and the 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 6 in the last row. Yes, we have a 6 here, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be here. These 2 numbers in the last row are the numbers 7 and 3. 7 and 3. 7 and 3. I mark them 7 and 3. That means I have a 5 in this column, a 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. We have 7 and the 3. I see here 3, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 7 goes there. To the 8, and we have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7 anymore. This should be the 7, and this should be the 8. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the row above, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. Now we have an 8 here, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 and the 2 are left in this big square. We have C here 1, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the last column, the only 2 places for the 2, here or there. I see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 number left in the last column for the number 8. Now we have an 8 here, so this should be an 5, and this should be an 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number 1. 1 number left in this row for the number 7. One number left in this row for the number 7. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Then 3 and 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5. Yes, we have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes in there. 5 in the third column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 numbers left in the second row for the numbers 2 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 1. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 1 should be here. 1 number left in the first column for the number 3. 3 is missing. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 9 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there, and the 9 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Wow! 4 stars? I don't think so. I think this one with the 3 stars should be a 4 star. And this should be a 2 star or 3 star. Anyway, thank you for watching. And if you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can solve it or make it by yourself. Thank you again, and I will see you in a minute with the 5th puzzle in this additional. It will be a binary puzzle, 2 puzzles left, and the last one should be a tectonic. So see you later. Thank you and bye bye.